Okay traders, today I'm going to take you through a shocking 3-step Forex daily breakout strategy showing you how to trade it with a support and resistance strategy. So, breakouts can be one of the most financially rewarding strategies out there, but probably like you, I struggled to determine when a breakout was occurring and how to time my trade when it does. Well, that was until I discovered this 3-step support and resistance breakout strategy that can lead to shocking results, which I'm going to share with you today. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Step number 1 is to find a market trapped between support and resistance. Now, this requires you to find a chart pattern that is formed due to support and resistance areas. So, there are a lot of different chart patterns out there, but I'm just going to introduce you to 2. First up is the double top and double bottom, so named because the market has made 2 attempts at breaking through resistance or support and has failed. Normally, with these patterns, there is also a support and resistance areas above and below. Often what happens is, after the market has made 2 unsuccessful attempts to break through, it loses momentum and falls back to break through resistance or support. Here is a real example of a double top on the current New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar chart, where you can see that the market has already fallen through support. Okay, so next up is the triangle. Now, there are 2 main types, the descending and the ascending. Now, these triangles both have one edge, which is either support or resistance, and the other edge is an ascending or descending trend line. They form because the market bounces between the 2 lines, getting lower and lower until, like a spring, the market will shoot out of one side or the other. Unfortunately, there's no way to tell 100% which way the market will exit, but it is always best to use patience when trading and react rather than trying to predict. Here is an example of a descending trend triangle on the current New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. The market is currently at the support zone. Here, the next move may be back up to the descending trend line before the market decides which way it will break. Okay, step number 2 is to wait for the markets to break down from support or resistance. So, very important here, when you are trading, the key is to be patient. In this instance, this looks like waiting until the market is broken out of your chart pattern. Do not try and guess which way the market will go. You will almost certainly lose money. As you can see here with the double top on the New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar, the market has broken through the support zone, and so this could be a good trading opportunity. However, what can sometimes happen is called a fake out. Now, this is when the market looks like it is about to break out, but in actual fact heads straight back in the opposite direction. Here we can see the example on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen chart. If you could have bet on the market going down here, you would have lost money. Because this can happen often, the question is, how do you avoid it? Well, you wait for step number 3, which is the breakout retracement bounce. Now, I know you're probably wondering what I'm talking about, but stick with me because this can make the difference between profits and losses. Okay, so after you've seen a breakout in your chart pattern, don't enter the trade straight away. What can often happen is that the market will retrace back to the broken level, bounce, and then follow the direction you thought it would go in. We can see this again happening live here. And this is why this represents a great trading opportunity. Now, if you always wait for this bounce before entering as part of your strategy, you are far more likely to avoid getting hit with fake outs. That's a top tip from me. So, there you have it guys, a 3-step strategy to start trading support and resistance breakouts that could potentially start delivering you Forex trading profits today. However, there is also a strategy to trade support and resistance bounces, meaning you could potentially profit no matter which way the market goes. In my 100% free 3-step trading system, I use the support and resistance bounce to show you how to enter high potential trades that could drastically improve your results with just 3 simple steps. Combine this with what I've just shown you and you have a formula that could potentially knock your Forex profits out the ballpark. You can get this completely free at poshenglishtrader.com/3 steps. So to get that, just type into your URL browser address bar poshenglishtrader.com/3 steps or simply click on the link in the video description below. My name's Chris N, the Posh English Trader. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of all my future video content. Also guys, share this content with all your friends and comment below to let me know if you have success using this strategy. Okay traders, until next time.